In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internship to your LinkedIn profile. We'll walk through every step, making sure your profile perfectly reflects your valuable experience. So let's get started. To begin, you'll want to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. You can do this easily by clicking on your profile icon or the Me button at the top of the page and then selecting View Profile. Here, you'll land on your profile page, which is where all the magic happens. Take a look at the options available and find the Add Profile section button. This button is prominently displayed on your profile page to help you enrich your LinkedIn story. Click on it and under the Core section, choose Add Position. This is your gateway to input all the essential details about your internship experience. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of those details. First, enter the title of your position. This could be a straightforward internship, or you might choose a title that more precisely reflects your official role. Indeed, you want your title to convey the exact nature of your responsibilities. To the right, there's an option to specify the employment type. Make sure to pick the option that most accurately describes your time during the internship, as this adds clarity to your resume. The next field is for the company name, which is a crucial element. Inputting the correct company name directly ties your experience to the organization, adding authenticity and significance to your profile. After specifying the company, proceed to the location information. Here, you'll fill in the city and select the location type, whether it was on-site, remote, or a hybrid setting. By providing this context, anyone viewing your profile gains a comprehensive understanding of the work setting you were part of. Don't overlook the importance of accurately entering your start date, too. This includes the month and year you began your internship, as doing so ensures your timeline is precise. Adding the industry type is equally vital, as it helps illustrate the specific arena in which you honed your skills and expertise. To truly showcase your capabilities, include any skills pertinent to your role during the internship. If you have any media links, such as project reports or a portfolio, don't hesitate to include them. These can serve as powerful visual testimonials of your work and accomplishments. Once you've completed all these fields, hit Save. And just like that, your internship position is now part of your profile, adding valuable experience to your LinkedIn presence. If you want to share this update with your network, simply click Next and then Post. This lets your connections know about your new professional milestone. Finally, it's always a good idea to double-check your work to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Scroll down to the Experience section of your profile and verify that your newly added internship appears accurate. And there you have it. Your internship is successfully listed on your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful LinkedIn tips and tutorials.